Welcome to our guide on hydroponic fertilizers. Hydroponic gardening is a method of growing plants using mineral nutrient solutions in water, without soil. Fertilizers play a crucial role in this process, providing the plants with the essential nutrients they need to grow. There are several types of hydroponic fertilizers available, but the most common ones are macro and micronutrient fertilizers. Macronutrients are essential for the growth and development of plants, and include nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These nutrients are responsible for the growth of leaves, stems, and roots, as well as the development of flowers and fruits. Micronutrients, on the other hand, are needed in smaller quantities, but are just as important for the plant's health and growth. These include iron, zinc, copper, and others. When choosing a hydroponic fertilizer, it's important to select one that is specifically formulated for hydroponic gardening, and to follow the manufacturer's instructions for application. It's also important to monitor the nutrient levels in your hydroponic system regularly, and make adjustments as needed. This can be done using a nutrient testing kit, which allows you to measure the levels of nutrients in the water. By providing your plants with the right nutrients, in the right amounts, you'll ensure that they grow healthy and strong, and produce the best possible yield. That's a quick overview of hydroponic fertilizers. With this knowledge, you'll be able to provide your plants with everything they need to thrive. Thanks for watching.